in the electron microscopy facility of Material Research Center is the Techni G220 with super twin pole piece. When operated at 200 kV, this equipment provides point resolution of 0.24 nanometers and line resolution of 0.14 nanometers. Generally speaking, in TEM, a high-energy mono-wavelength and parallel electron beam transmits through a well-prepared thin foil crystalline sample to generate elastic scattering and inelastic scattering of electrons. In the diffraction mode, the bright field and dark field images can show microstructural features which includes grains and grain boundaries, crystalline defects, and fine precipitates. Selected area diffraction allows crystallographic analysis to be performed in submicron small scale volumes. TEM is also capable of resolving the atomic stacking structure at extremely high magnification when it is operated in the so-called phase contrast mode, for example, high-resolution electron microscopy. Also in TEM, energy dispersive X-ray analysis, the characteristic X-ray that are emitted from the electron sample interaction volume are utilized to determine the chemical composition of sample. The microscope is suitable for providing solutions to a wide range of specific problems ranging from nanomaterials, metal alloys, polymers to ceramics and minerals. This is pan-analytical X-ray diffractometer, which can give information of 3D arrangement of atoms in a material. Can be used to reveal structural information for powders, thin films, and bulk samples. The diffractometer can be configured into Bragg-Brentano configuration, offering high resolution and high beam intensity analysis. It is also capable of collecting diffractogram, which represent orientation distribution functions, which maps a set of pole figures of crystallites of interest. X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy is a surface-sensitive qualitative technique used to learn about chemistry of sample. This instrument can utilize Auger electron spectroscopy and ultraviolet photoelectron spectroscopy, material analysis. It can analyze wide range of samples which include bulk and thin film, which can be from magnetic, non-magnetic, conductive or non-conductive nature. By hitting the sample with X-rays and analyzing the photoelectrons coming off the sample surface, we can learn about the chemistry of the sample and their oxidation states. Scanning electron microscope is an examination method which collects information from the sample by scanning a focused electron beam on its surface. This instrument with field emission source provides ultra-high resolution of 1 nanometer. Samples which can be categorized include bulk, thin film, and powders, where non-conductive samples can be made conductive by coating a thin layer of gold, palladium, or carbon. Electron sample interaction is used to get information about the surface features using secondary electrons emitted from the sample. Differences in average atomic numbers and crystallography using electron backscatter diffraction can be revealed by backscattered electrons. X-ray generated by electron sample interaction can give special distribution of chemical species as well as overall composition of the specimen. Atomic force microscopy is an imaging tool which will give a three-dimensional map of the sample surface with very high spatial resolution. Wide range of sample can be tested using this equipment, including thin films, bulk, as well as powder, with the sample dimension not exceeding 1 cm by 1 cm by 3 mm. Beyond topography, it can provide magnetic structure of the sample surface through scanning of sharp magnetic tips. Another derivative of AFM is lateral force microscopy, LFM, which can give information regarding frictional coefficient of the sample. Nanomechanical characterization can be performed by forcing the cantilever tip into the sample surface. This instrument can also be used to write on the surfaces by nanolithography mode of operation. magnetic resonance instrument allows the molecular structure of a material to be analyzed by observing and measuring the interaction of nuclear spins when placed in a powerful magnetic field. Its low temperature accessory permits variable temperature. Powder liquid samples which are soluble in deuterated solvent can be analyzed with this instrument. It can be used for structure determination of organic, inorganic, organometallic as well as polymeric compounds. This is ECS 400 MHz Geol made NMR spectrometer, which is capable of providing spectra of a variety of NMR active nuclei ranging from hydrogen to platinum. Raman spectroscopy is an analytical method in which incident photons lose or gain energy via interactions with vibrating molecules in a sample. These energy shifts can be used to obtain information regarding molecular composition of the sample with very high accuracy. This instrument can also perform photoluminescence of samples at 325 nanometers, 532 nanometers, and 785 nanometer. Also with a variable temperature range at which samples can be examined, which ranges from minus 196 degrees centigrades to 225 centigrades. In order to measure the characteristics of individual molecules, a mass spectrometer converts them to ions so that they can be moved about and manipulated by external electric and magnetic fields. This mass spectrometer provides a wide range of mass analysis of small organic, inorganic, organometallic compounds to a large polymeric and proteomic sample including proteins and peptides. The ultra-performance liquid chromatography data acquisition comprehensively catalogs complex samples in a single analysis.